Good morning guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 2 of our West Coast trip. If you missed day 1, I'll leave a link up there for you. Anyway, this track, we're starting off, looks like a real fun beginning. Big rock slabs, straight off the road and away, so should be a good challenge. As you can see, the weather's turning it on for us. We're going to be doing the same old battle in Lando of trying to keep the windscreen clear, but that's all good. Just need to hurry up and put a heater in the truck. Leave a comment below reminding me. Anyway, we'll let Shane crack into it in the Jeep and see how he goes, and then we'll give it a bash in Lando.
Well, unfortunately, it appears that the winch in Lando has given up and stopped working, which is probably not ideal considering what we know is ahead of us on this track. So I guess we're going to have a look at it and see what we can do.
Not ideal, guys. Not ideal.
We'll go for airflow from Marvin, guys.
Yeah, no, we did. Look at that. There you go. Stop again, Steve. Please, thanks.
Also, Lockie would never forgive me if I didn't tell everyone that he actually drove the rock step down at the bottom. He was just over eager and didn't wait for me, so serves him right.
Righto guys, well, we haven't vlogged and such for quite some time. This track is hectic, the rain is coming down heavy now and making, you know, the ground just absolute slop. Anyway, the winch in Lando is really second hand, so we're just getting... Let's go from there! Yeah, we're going to have to do 2 winches for up the main climb of this track, which is right at the end. Yeah, real cool track, really enjoying it, but that run has got to go. So yeah, add that to the list, I guess.
Alright, so because the winch in Lando's been playing up and is sounding horrific, we've just got Shane's rear winch also run back down to Lando, so we'll have 2 winches operating on the vehicle. Just adds a little bit of safety and will hopefully mean we get up in one piece. Or at least, that's what Tim hopes.
I'd quite like to get up in one piece.
Drive all the way to there. Yeah. All right.
Righto guys, well we're back on one of the access roads. We'll wrap up the video here. We're running out of camera battery. Today was hectic. That is, I mean, I said it yesterday, but today tops yesterday. That was the hardest full driving I've ever done. Lando did well for what it is. Certainly needs something sorting out in the winch department. But yeah, for a road legal wagon, loaded up, it held its own. And that is where the camera battery died, so it all worked out quite nicely. Unfortunately, we did have some camera issues, just not a lot of battery for some reason, and combined with the heavy rain, it did make it really awkward filming this track. Plus incredibly overgrown, so apologies for the slightly shorter video. It didn't capture the track to the same degree I was hoping it would. It was an awesome track, by far the hardest wheeling I've done, so I was a little bit disappointed with how the footage came out, but I hope you guys still really enjoyed it. Truck did really well for what it is. Definitely what seems to hold this truck back the most is just the extra weight that Lando has over the other vehicles. All the others are probably around the 1600 kilo or less mark. Lando's easy 2 ton, and yeah, that extra 400 odd kilos, you really notice it. But I've got a few plans for that coming up. We'll try and lose a bit of weight from the truck and yeah, make it perform a little bit better, but really chuffed with how it went. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Make sure you stay tuned for day 3, which was a nice sunny day for once, and a really cool track as well. So hit subscribe if you haven't already, give today's video a like, and let me know in the comments down below what you thought of it. We'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers guys for watching, see you then.
Well, that makes 2 ground anchors dead for this trip.
Turns out they don't make good bulldozers.